Happy New Year, everyone. To celebrate the new year, I'm going to show you how to reinstall Windows so that my computer feels brand new too. First, you need to prepare the Windows 11 25H2 ISO file for installation. Right-click on it and select Mount. Copy this sources folder to a location other than the C drive. I will rename it to 11 so it's easy to remember. Now, I will open Notepad and create a regedit file to skip the hardware requirements for installing Windows 11. I will leave this code in the description and comments of the video. Now, save this file. Change the save as type to all files. Name it labconfig.reg. You will see the labconfig.reg file in the location where you just saved it. Now, I will create one more file to fix the issue where the Windows installer doesn't let you choose the edition to install. I will also leave this command in the description and comments section. Save the file. Name it ei.cfg and set the save as type to all files. Now, you need to cut this ei.cfg file and paste it into the 11 folder you created earlier. So, I have all the necessary files for the Windows installation. Now, I will hold the Shift key and click Restart to boot into WinRE. Select Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Command Prompt. Now, I will open Notepad. Select File, Open. Find the folder 11. Change files of type to all files. Find the setup file. Right-click on it and run. If you see this notification, press Shift and F10. Type Notepad. Select File, Open. Find the location where you saved the labconfig.reg file. Change files of type to all files. Right-click on the labconfig file and select Merge. Now you can install Windows as usual. Go back and then return. I will continue with the installation. I will keep only the data partition because it contains my data, and I will delete everything else. To quickly create a local account, press Shift and F10. Enter the command shown on the screen. Enter the name and you're done. So, I have successfully reinstalled Windows. Now you can connect to the internet and use Windows Update to install drivers. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day and Happy New Year!